Have you ever felt stuck spending hours filming, editing, writing scripts, and doing thumbnails for your YouTube videos only to see little results? What if I told you that today you can automate almost every step of the process with AI tools? From script writing to editing, thumbnails to voiceovers, AI can help you save hours every single week. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through a full YouTube automation workflow using AI tools. Whether you're a beginner or already creating content, by the end you'll know exactly how to go from idea to finished video to ready to upload but without burning out. So grab your notepad because this is a full masterclass. Step 1. Idea generation with AI. Every video starts with an idea. Instead of struggling, you can use AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, or Copy.ai to brainstorm trending topics. Example prompt: give me 10 trending YouTube video ideas in the tech niche for beginners. AI will suggest things like top 5 AI tools in 2025 or how to edit videos with AI. Pro tip: combine AI suggestions with Google Trends and TubeBuddy/vidIQ to check what people are actually searching for. This alone saves creators hours of guesswork. Step 2. Script writing with AI. Once you have your topic, AI can help write your script. Use ChatGPT to generate a draft. Then refine it to match your tone. For example, I might ask, write a beginner-friendly YouTube script for a tutorial on CapCut AI. AI gives me the framework: intro, step-by-step, outro. I then tweak it to sound more natural and personal. Remember, AI gives you structure, but you bring the personality. Step 3. Voiceovers with AI. Not everyone wants to record their own voice. That's where AI voice generators come in. 11 Labs and Murph AI let you generate human-like voices. You can even clone your own voice for consistency. Imagine writing your script in ChatGPT, then instantly converting it into a natural-sounding voiceover. That's hours saved. Step 4. Video creation and editing with AI. This is where things get exciting. Tools like Pictory, Runway, or CapCut AI allow you to generate entire videos from your script or voiceover. Example workflow: 1. Paste your script into Pictory. 2. The AI generates a video with stock clips, transitions, and captions. 3. You adjust scenes, add branding, and you're done. For more creative control, CapCut on PC has auto-captioning, AI background removal, and templates. Runway lets you remove objects, generate B-roll, or even create AI avatars. With these tools, what used to take 6 hours of editing can take less than 1 hour. Step 5. Thumbnails with AI. A clickable thumbnail is key to growth. Instead of spending hours in Photoshop, you can use Canva with AI Magic Design or Ideogram/Midjourney to generate eye-catching custom art. For example, prompt: YouTube thumbnail of a laptop with glowing AI elements, bold text, automate YouTube with AI. AI creates the base, then you fine-tune in Canva. Result: a thumbnail in 10 minutes instead of 1 hour. Step 6. Descriptions, titles, and SEO with AI. SEO can make or break your video. AI tools like ChatGPT or TubeBuddy's AI assistant can generate optimized titles, tags, and descriptions. Example prompt: write a YouTube description with keywords for a video titled "How to Automate YouTube with AI." Output: an SEO-rich description you can tweak. This boosts visibility without you needing to study SEO for hours. Step 7. Marketing and repurposing content with AI. Don't stop after uploading. AI helps with promotion too. Use Opus Clip or Vid.io to repurpose long videos into shorts or TikToks. Use ChatGPT to generate tweet threads, Instagram captions, and LinkedIn posts from your script. Now, one 10-minute video becomes a YouTube short, an Instagram reel, a TikTok clip, a blog post, a newsletter, all created in minutes. So let's recap how to automate your YouTube channel with AI. 1. Generate video ideas with AI. 2. Write scripts with ChatGPT. 3. Create AI voiceovers. 4. Edit with AI-powered tools like Pictory, CapCut, or Runway. 5. Design thumbnails with AI. 6. Use AI for SEO. 7. Repurpose content with AI. This is the power of automation. Instead of being stuck in the endless cycle of editing and scripting, you free up your time to focus on creativity and strategy. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe to Augusta Vision, and comment below which AI tool are you most excited to try for your YouTube videos. Until next time, Visioneers, Keep creating and keep innovating.